Hi. The first observational study design is the ecological study. Ecological studies are a type of observational study in which the unit of analysis are not individuals, but populations or groups of people. And let's start with an example. Imagine that we're interested in the relation between consumption of olive oil and risk of heart disease. Then we can look at countries and see if those countries where people consume lots of olive oil, which we would quantify as a high per capita consumption of olive oil, have a lower heart disease rate as compared to countries where people consume little olive oil. And that's probably what you would find if you would do that analysis. And based on that evidence, you could argue that olive oil is good for you, that olive oil is heart protective. But there are some serious issues with this type of analysis, which are best illustrated by using another example. Imagine that we're interested in the relation between alcohol consumption and traffic fatalities. Ecological studies would show that the countries with a high alcohol intake, such as the UK and Germany, have much fewer traffic fatalities compared with countries that have a low alcohol intake, such as Turkey or Pakistan, most African and Asian countries, which may lead to the conclusion that a high alcohol intake prevents traffic fatalities. However, it is obvious that at the individual level, alcohol is anything but protective. Indeed, close to half of all traffic fatalities in the UK can be attributed to alcohol. So this example illustrates how an association emerging from an ecological study cannot automatically be extrapolated to individuals. The reason why fatalities are low in the UK and Germany is because of the common use of seat belts, the quality of the cars, the road design, and obviously it has nothing to do with the high alcohol consumption. So to go back to our original example in olive oil, we need to find out if the individuals that consume the highest amount of olive oil also have the lowest risk of heart disease. But we can't figure that out from an ecological study. We need a different type of research design for that. And let me ask you, do you have an idea what type of research design would be best in this case? Well, at the end of this section, you should.